The world unfolds beneath my paws, a canvas bright and true, a tiny realm where colors dance and dreams come jumping through. I wander around that jigsaw laid, a tapestry of cheer. With every leap and bound I take, the magic draws me near. Each piece a story fresh and new, a shade of pink, a hue of blue. With every step I feel the thrill, my heart sings just for you. My magical jigsaw rug, oh, what a joy it brings. A rainbow that transforms each day, oh, how my spirit sings. Where little dreams can tumble down and vibrant colors bloom in this quirky, playful maze, I find my happy room. The yellow sunbeams sparkle bright like treasures on the floor. A secret in the pattern seems a place where I explore. With every twist and every turn, the magic calls my name. I curl up soft, a purring ball in this lively game. Oh, the wonders never fade as I twirl around so free. This jigsaw rug, so full of life, is where I long to be. My magical jigsaw rug, oh, what a joy it brings. A rainbow that transforms each day, oh, how my spirit sings. Where little dreams can tumble down and vibrant colors bloom in this quirky, playful maze, I find my happy room. As evening falls, the colors shift, a sunset's warm embrace, and in the twilight's gentle glow, I find my perfect space. A puzzle that transforms each day, a world to make me smile. With every stitch of whimsy here, I'll stay a little while.